Don't seek through the peaky blinders, arrive in style at IQ Wilmslow Park. This student accommodation is a dream come true for future leaders of tomorrow. Located right on Hathersage Road in Manchester, you'll feel like royalty. This residence boasts ensuite rooms with beds as comfy as a fluffy cloud of cream. The study areas are intimate and illuminated by wide windows, sharing all the light you need to make your day bright. Plus, you'll find plenty of wardrobe space and tea chest drawers to store your things, all topped off with cleverly placed lamps for a room worthy of its own galaxy. The gleaming white bathroom tiles make it easy to maintain a sense of cleanliness. Modular kitchens provide the perfect backdrop for cozy dinners and conversations with flatmates, who soon become lifelong friends, all while enjoying a delicious key lime pie. And when everyone gathers in the communal lounge, they find themselves surrounded by an array of colors, plush couches, pendant lamps, and even a pool table. Students from Manchester Metropolitan University, Arden University, and the University of Manchester are thrilled with the super easy weekly grocery shopping at Manchester Superstore and Worldwide Food. On assignment days, a buttery baguette with basil, cheese, and tomato is the perfect go-to meal. But on weekends, why not get creative in the kitchen? Oodles and Noodles adds an Asian twist to your weeknight dinners with its umami flavor and is topped off by a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra zing. Unleash your inner chef and make something delicious. It's sure to be a hit. We know we have a masters of spinning dreams and ensuring you reach your goals. Make it happen with Amber and get ready to soar.